Digestion essential oil, or Digize as some people say. Whenever you're curious about how to pronounce this essential oil name, just think of digestion. This oil is great for digestion. It is good for upset stomach, if you have heartburn, if you're feeling nauseous. You can apply it topically right on your stomach. If the smell is really, really bad for you and you can't handle it, just try putting it on the bottom of your feet. I have used it before topically, but also have just inhaled it if I'm feeling really nauseous and sick, and it has worked that way too. One of the hidden uses of Digize, which is really interesting, is people have used it right over their nose to help clear their sinuses. So a lot of the essential oils have multiple uses. It's not just for one thing. So it's really great because you can use them for many different things, and you can think of your money going farther because they have many uses. So this comes in this starter kit. If you got a kit, you should have this oil in it. I do not recommend that you diffuse it because I personally think the smell is pretty bad, but the effectiveness of the oil is so good it trumps the horrible smell. So if you don't have this, I recommend getting it. Anytime you have nausea, upset stomach, you can apply it right on and it works fantastic.